Lead generation is the most important thing that a business needs in order to grow. But despite that fact, it's the thing that most businesses struggle with. In fact, almost 70% of businesses struggle with consistent lead flow. That's why in this video, I'm gonna go through a step-by-step guide, and probably the easiest step-by-step guide on how you can generate thousands of leads for your business in literally minutes. And honestly, think that you're gonna be shocked about how easy this is. Like, this is a list that we just pulled using the same step-by-step guide that we're gonna pull from. Gave us the name, email, job title, phone number, location, company size, and much, much more. And look, there's a lot of ways that you can generate leads, generate lead lists, and our agency has probably spent thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars trying to come up with the most efficient, most accurate, and most scalable way to do this, and this is it. And once you're able to understand what I'm about to go through, you'll have thousands of leads that you can reach out to on a consistent basis, which is going to grow your revenue and grow your business. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to get instantly leads. So this is the software that allows us to pull leads at scale and reach out to them pretty quickly. So there's two options. We can do 1,000 verified leads a month, or we can do 10,000 verified leads per month. It just kind of depends on your deal flow and what your anticipated lead lists are. There's two options. You can do monthly or you can do yearly. And honestly, this pricing in this software is highly competitive relative to other tools, and it allows you to reach out to people directly from it. And I'm gonna show you in a second. Second thing that we want to do is we want to pull up Lead Finder on instantly. And the cool thing is we can search by job title. So CEO, CFO, COO, depending on the point of contact that you're gonna be going after. You can do location. So if you're searching for a specific area, maybe you're serving local businesses, you can do that. Or if you're wanting a whole country even, you can literally search within the location of a country. So for example, let's just say United States. We can literally pull all of the leads in the United States. Next up, we can also search by industry. So you can literally pull in the industry that you're looking for, and you'll be able to find everybody that is within that category of business. And underneath each one, there's a lot of subcategories, which will also help narrow down your list and make sure that you're targeting the right people. You can also target by employees. So if you're working with more small businesses, 0 to 25, and then if you're working with larger businesses, you can kind of scale that up as needed. And then revenue as well, just depending on the revenue size of the clients that you're going for. And then keywords. So if you're, let's just say you're looking for a dentist, you can type in a dentist and all of the dentists will pop up as far as the pull of the data that we have access to. And then another cool thing is like technology. So if you're working with like, let's just say e-commerce company, you can type in Shopify, and then you can see what tools that the prospects are using. And you can literally filter by different softwares that your customers are using. And once you select the software, it's going to pull up the list of leads of people who are using the software that you selected. And then there's even more filters, from departments to management levels to the name of the person to actual company names. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through two different lead lists just to give you an example of what this could look like. Okay, so let's say that we are going for a real estate agent in Los Angeles, California. So if we literally just type in real estate agent, that will automatically pull up. So it's not just using this data. Okay, we can also say realtor and then select that as well. And then location, if we wanted Los Angeles, California, all we need to do is select Los Angeles, California to narrow it down. Now, basically we have a list of 1,961 people that are of the job title real estate agents in Los Angeles, California. And the second lead list that I want to show you that you can create with Lead Finder is an e-commerce lead. So in this case, we want to find the CEOs, and then we want the location, let's call it United States only. And then we want the industry to be, let's just go through manufacturing. We want people in software, travel, wholesale distribution, and retail. Now we have a list of 338,000 contacts. So what we want to do is we want to find the people that are closer to our target audience. So let's just say we want the revenue to be 0 to 1 million or up to $10 million. And then what we want to do is we want to go to technologies, and we're going to type in Shopify, and we're going to select Shopify as a technology used. And then we're also going to do WooCommerce, because we know that a lot of e-commerce companies use WooCommerce. So that's something that we want to make sure that the company is in fact using. So now we have over 10,000 people that we can reach out to and export 10,000 people in order to start reaching out to them. And this is giving us a lot of information: the name, name, title, company, email, phone number, location, employees, industry, keywords, and much, much more. So there's a lot of different ways that you can use this. What I would make sure is that you are narrowing it down, you're playing with it, you're testing it out a little bit, and making sure that it's really specific for your specific niche. So now this has been completed, there's really two things that we can do with this list. First thing is we verify it. This means that we're basically putting it through a verification tool to make sure that the emails are in fact legit. So how we do that is we can select the page. Let's just select the page for this. You could also select all of them. Then what we want to do is we want to download it as a CSV. Then what we want to do is we want to pull up a tool like Million Verifier. Then all we need to do is click select a file and then upload the list into Million Verifier. And then we can just click the start for the verification process. And what that's going to do, it's going to scrape the data and make sure that the emails are in fact verified. Once the leads are done, then you'll get a block that looks like this, where it can show you all of the emails that are good. You can click download reports and you can click download good emails only. The second thing that you can do is you can literally just select them and add them to a campaign within your Instantly account, assuming that you're using Instantly for cold outreach. So if you are wanting to upload the leads directly to your campaign, then what you'll do is you click add to campaign, check for duplicates across campaigns if you want, and then click add to campaign, and we'll automatically add them to the campaign that you just built out. So now you click on leads and you can see all the leads are in here ready to rock. If you go through the verification process, all you need to do in the campaign is click import and you can just upload the CSV file after it has in fact been verified. Now, what I love about this process is it's literally all in one. It's all encompassing. It doesn't take me 20 different steps in order to do this. And all I'm doing is transferring the contacts from one place to another inside of the same website. This is a super scalable process and something that will allow you to reach out to thousands of people every single day, and it is a total no-brainer. So this is where the fun begins. All you really need to do within Instantly is click on sequences and start to build out your cold email sequence that you're going to start sending to the list of leads that you just created. Now you have the easiest way to start generating leads for your business and making more money for your business. So now all you have to do is go to instantly.ai and set this up so that you can start getting results for your business in literally as little as 14 days. And also, since you'll be sending your emails through Instantly, one of the most important things is to make sure that your scripts are top notch. And if you're unsure or uncertain on frameworks on how to make sure that your cold email scripts are top notch, be sure to click this video right here, which explains step by step on how you can do that. Thanks so much for watching the video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out.